Hugging Face is currently the center of the AI world.
Hugging Face is an open-source AI community that has become the global hub for open-source large language models.
Despite that massive influence, their branding still relies on a basic yellow emoji. It lacks modularity, and honestly, it just feels a bit too young for the space they've grown into. So, instead of just drawing a better, quote-unquote, face, I looked at what the company actually represents. It is a hub, it is modular, it's a collective of interlocking parts. The new identity had to reflect a system, not just a character. I decided to move into a modular cube structure. Why cubes? Because Hugging Face is quite literally built on blocks of collaboration, data, models, and secondary tools. Using an isometric perspective allows the brands to feel structural and architecturally sound. But this is where the AI-only designers get it wrong. I used AI to spark the initial direction, but let's be honest about the results. The raw output lacked any real geometric integrity. Because AI doesn't understand math, the vertical lines were merely imagined rather than calculated. It was a picture of a logo, not a professional vector asset. This is where the human-led design process becomes the differentiator. I took the concept into Illustrator and rebuilt the entire mark from scratch on a strict isometric grid. I used the height of the capital H as my master unit of measurement. This is a foundational design principle that AI simply cannot replicate. Every vertical gap, every proportion, and even the vertical placement of the logo mark itself is derived from that single measurement. Look at the guides. The spacing is mathematically locked at exactly 1/2 and 1/4 the height of that H. This level of precision is what makes a brand feel authoritative. It ensures that when you scale the logo down to a tiny favicon or a small icon on a code repository, the geometry remains perfectly readable, sharp, and intentional. But while I was arranging these technical modules, the soul of the brand finally clicked. By using the negative space between the blocks, I managed to hide the smile directly within the infrastructure itself. It isn't a literal emoji anymore, it's a subliminal payoff. The viewer sees the technical cubes first, which gives the brand instant authority in the enterprise space. But once you spend a second with it, you catch that upward curve in the center. This is the final result. We have moved from a playful mascot to a serious, modular identity that actually aligns with the business. Hugging Face finally has an identity that grows up with the technology. It's the infrastructure of AI, built with the mathematical precision it deserves.